Beautiful design, exceptional quality. It sounds like a real estate postcard, except it's true. Clean lines, contemporary decor, standing strong with very good taste in the face of children and life's other design obstacles. Restoration Hardware, West Elm Crate Barrel, furniture that'll fit your place as easily as it fit this one. Costume and fine jewelry await. They're a form of self-care too. The kitchen stocked with restaurant-grade stoneware and porcelain from Portugal, Amsterdam, and Germany. Lalique, Baccarat, and Waterford Crystal. No need for mismatched glasses here. So you never have to hit Equinox at 5 a.m. on a January morning again. The basement. Full-life fitness gym, Olympic weights, a Foresight golf simulator, and a massage chair for the losing team. An Epiphone Les Paul signed by the Plain White Tees, because let's admit it, you're still cool, but you need things to signal the cool factor. Maintaining that vibe can be exhausting, so curl up on the patio set and sigh with relief. It's almost 9 p.m. and bedtime. And everything you need for that is waiting for you too. The Estate Edit, Chicago North Center, Friday through Sunday.